wall has to retain a backfill of dry cohesionless having following properties. Phi is equal to 30 degrees. Wide ratio E is equal to 0.74. GS 2.68. So let me continue the question. 2.68. Plot the distribution of Rankine lateral earth pressure on the wall and determine the magnitude and point of application of the resultant thrust. To get ready now, we need to calculate lateral earth pressure. Right. So what is the formula for calculating gamma dry? So our basic soil mechanics will help you. G gamma W by 1 plus E. So this is retaining wall. Let me draw. Because its back of the wall is smooth and maybe I think yes, it is good for you. Smooth and vertical. Now you can see backfill surface. This is retaining wall. What is the height of the wall? Can anyone tell me now? Height of the wall is 5 meters. And the wall is 5 meters. Now we need to answer this question. So what is gamma D? How to calculate gamma D? Gamma D I can able to calculate. It is G gamma W by 1 plus E. G is given. How much it is? 2.68. And gamma W is 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube by 1 plus E. Can anyone tell me what is the E value? E is given. It is 0.74. What is gamma D now? Gamma D is equal to kilonewton per cube. I have gamma D now. I have H. I know the soil is dry and cohesionless. I can comfortably show these dots. So what is the value of phi? Phi is given. No doubt many times they use it to give 30 degrees. Here also I think yes. So some people are helping me also in chat box. Gamma D also already they solved it. 15.10. Thank you so much. So I need to observe chat box. I think we are getting wonderful answers. Okay. So 15.10. Now let us proceed now. Gamma D is with me. 15.10. Now phi is given. How much it is? I will try to get it. Phi is 30. Here also can write no problem. Phi is 30. Now let us answer the question. So we need to calculate initially. We concentrate on active earth pressure. So I'm not sure. I think this won't be okay for us. Now, active earth pressure. So this everyone knows it is PA is equal to Ka into gamma H. Now the discussion is about how to calculate Ka. Ka is equal to 1 minus sine phi by 1 plus sine phi. This also I think I am not comfortable with this. Whereas it is okay, 1 plus sine phi. What is the Ka now? 1 minus sine 30 by 1 plus sine 30. Obviously, if you use calculator, you will get 0.333. Otherwise, still you are having a knowledge 1 minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus 1 by 2. That gives 1 by 3. So, because we know the basic mathematics, sine 30 is 1 by 2. So 0.3333. So I got the answer now. Ka 1 by 3. Gamma d is with me 15.10. Height is with me 5. So here you see now I am getting answer in kilonewton per meter square because it is in meter cube into meter. So I will write now kilonewton per meter cube into meter. So now I am getting answer in pressure. Pa is equal to how much now? How much it is? Pa. Can anyone tell me now? Next, see, let me draw the figure now. Active earth pressure distribution diagram. So now, this is anyone can tell me now? PA. What is PA? Active force. Force is also called thrust. So PA is equal to half base into height. So I am getting an answer Ka gamma d h square by 2, which acts at a height h by 3 from the base. So get ready now. What is PA? Capital PA. Capital PA is force that we need to calculate. This is what I call. This is what I call. This figure is active earth pressure distribution diagram. So this is the resultant force that I can show you, no doubt. This is resultant force PA. I'm telling about force. You people are telling about pressure. So I know both. We know the difference. Ka into gamma dh. This is pressure. If you want force, you need to calculate area of the pressure diagram. Okay, this is force. So this is about active earth pressure. So I have Ka. So what is the answer now? I can tell, I think without calculator also I can manage it. 1/3 15, it is 5, 5 into 5. It is nearly, I can say 25. So what is the answer now for PA? Let me check in chat box because many students are helping me. So let me check. 25.2, yes. So my guess is also correct. And it's very good to see the final PA also, I think. Students are giving answer for capital PA. So now 62.5. Let me check your answer. 62.9. That means you people are working also. Oh, that's good. 62.9. This is in kilonewton per meter. Per meter length of the wall. Here you see, someone can ask me, sir, what is the units of force? Kilonewton per meter cube into meter square. At the end, I am getting kilonewton per meter. What is meter per meter length of the wall? Per meter length of the wall is 1 meter. Unit length of the wall per meter. So again, I will tell you. Here the units of force is kilonewton per meter. Someone can ask me, sir, what you are saying? Yes, I am telling you about active force per meter length of the wall, per meter length. Because many times we are drawing cross section. This is a figure which shows retaining wall. This is the figure, it shows about active earth pressure distribution diagram. Okay, so have a understanding, good understanding. PA, active earth pressure. The units are very clear, kilonewton per meter square. Someone can ask me, how can you say kilonewton per meter square? Kilonewton per meter cube into meter. What I'm getting at the end, because Ka don't have any units. Ka means active earth pressure coefficient. In other words, you can write coefficient of active earth pressure. It is up to you. It is up to you. Now, this is active. Now, I am asking you people to calculate passive. Passive. Because the questioner is asking us to calculate lateral earth pressure. Lateral earth pressure. The questioner is having a lot of information with him. He wants to hide that information. Lateral earth pressure. He is saying just lateral earth pressure. But remember that there are three types of lateral earth pressure. There are three types of lateral earth pressure. Active, passive, earth pressure at rest. Now I cannot say myself, I have completed the solution. I have completed the solution. Now your time starts now. So please all of you, now think about how to calculate passive earth pressure. So I will give time to you because I know passive earth pressure. So I will help you in many ways. Here you can see this is my retaining wall. The height of the wall is 5 meters. Now you will have a better understanding, no doubt. This is retaining wall. So I am using Rankine's theory. So whenever I am thinking about Rankine, see the back of the wall should be smoothened. Can anyone type in chat box? Please, all of you type in chat box. Back of the wall is smoothened vertical. So get ready now. The height of the wall is 5 meters. Gamma D is given by students 15.10 kilonewton per meter cube. I am very happy. Now my soil is sandy soil. I can guess it because it is cohesionless. So I can show idealized diagram for sand with dots. So now phi is 30. So now I want to calculate passive earth pressure distribution diagram. I want to show you. So this is my passive earth pressure distribution diagram. So someone can ask me, sir, what is the passive earth pressure at the base of the wall? At the base of the wall, can you tell me? So someone can ask me, sir, you tell me what is the passive earth pressure at the top of the wall? It is 0. At the base of the wall, Kp into gamma into H. But I am not happy with Pp. I want capital Pp. I want a capital Pp. Can anyone tell me what is capital Pp, which is acting at a height? If it is total height is H, what will be this? H by 3. Centroidal distance. Centroidal distance. Nothing but lever arm. Nothing but lever arm. So if you multiply this force into lever arm, you will get the overturning moment. Okay, now let me proceed now. How to calculate Pp? Now Pp is equal to half Kp into gamma H into H. But in textbook, they don't take much space. They will directly write Kp gamma H square by 2. Here gamma is gamma D. Here gamma is gamma D. Here my gamma is gamma D. What is the answer for Pp? What is the answer for passive earth pressure? So Pp, capital Pp. Can tell me the answer in kilonewton per meter? 566.12. Can anyone tell me? K naught into gamma Z. So anyhow, but he is expecting plot. The questioner is expecting plot. This is my retaining wall. The back is vertical. That means I am using Rankine's theory. Ground level is horizontal. And I am using dry, cohesionless with angle Angle of internal friction of the backfill 30. The remedy luckily 15.10. It is luckily given by students. 15.10 kilonewton per meter cube. Now without any hesitation, now I can able to draw this distribution diagram. What is this answer now? K naught into gamma D into H. How to calculate a capital P naught? I know small p naught of K naught gamma D H square. I don't want to waste the time. So now what is K naught? Formula for K naught? At the pressure coefficient at rest. Can anyone help me now? What is the formula for K naught? Everyone cheptarandi? 1 minus sin phi. You know Jackie's formula? This formula given by Jackie. 1 minus sin phi. 1 minus sin 30. Obviously it is 1 by 2. So now without any further delay, half into gamma D is with me. Gamma D is with me. And 15.10. And also very important, H is 5. Now I think I'm able to say what is the at the pressure at rest. Now answer in kilonewton per meter square. Once it is ready, we can able to tell you this also force. So now what is this is also correct. This is our answer. Now you see, you can see now this is a beautiful picture. In many books it was represented. So on x-axis movement of wall. On y-axis lateral earth pressure. The gate lo kuda istadandi example. Gate example. Can anyone tell me what is this earth pressure? Can anyone tell me what is this earth pressure? Can anyone tell me what is this earth pressure? Maybe I am using the same language repeatedly, but my intention is what I would like to ask you. Can you locate this? See, I have lateral earth pressure. So 3 types are there: active, passive, earth pressure at rest. Can anyone locate now what is the position of this? What is this earth pressure? This is, I can write you. This also I can write you. Away from the backfill. This I can write you towards the backfill. See, by using one numerical example, I am trying to explain the concept. Towards the backfill. Moving away from the backfill, there is no movement of wall. This single sheet is showing the entire information. If you want to understand this, you see here. I have my values. Passive earth pressure. Luckily, Meera nak chesi charu. 226. Here you see it is 226 kilopascal. Now let me select earth pressure at rest. 37.5. Now let me select another value. See, active earth pressure in kilopascal. 25. So tell me now. Now can you say the right order of earth pressures now? PA, P naught, PP. So PP is greater than P naught. Okay. Now PA is less than both PP and P naught. So PA is least value. P naught is the middle one. PP, I can't say middle one. It existed between PP and PA. So this is about the way different earth pressures and their magnitudes. So this is about detailed discussion about types of lateral earth pressure. Today we successfully completed about types of lateral earth pressure with the help of Rankine's theory.